What's going on, guys? Sorry my voice is bad. I just got braces put in the back. But we're taking the boat out today. Got the 5RC you can put on the back. Brought an anchor and a bucket of water just in case it takes water, because this boat has supposedly not been in the water since 2000. So we gotta take it on anyways. I got these bunk boards from Walmart. Carpet for the boards. As you can see, we put new boards on the car, new wheels, everything. So yeah. I'm tested on the water today. So we're out on the water on the boat. That's a 16.5 on the mat. It's actually doing pretty good out here in the lake. I haven't messed with the speed. I'm just making sure everything's alright for the water test. But yeah, I'm on a calm day. It's the day you want it to be. You can see that the water is crystal clear. You can see everything looks good. Got my lip jig on. I didn't tighten those for me getting that. But yeah, you can see it goes about 10 knots. I have it in only low speed, but I'm sure if I put it on other ones it'd be alright. It seems to be doing alright, as you can see. Seems to be doing alright. You guys are probably wondering why I'm pulling in the boat. I twisted the throttle way too hard and it broke the tiller throttle. So I gotta get a new tiller so I'll get it fixed. But yeah, Dad's back in the truck right now. So we got back, I pulled the motor apart because this piece just slid right out. And what I concluded is that right here, this piece fits into here, right? Wait a second. Like that. This little gasket sits on there. And then this piece, which is right here, pops in. But this, it won't engage. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't think it will. And what I've concluded is that this piece needs to be welded to that piece. And then not to be tilted. Just leave it down. But I'm going to take it to the marina, have them look at that. So, I also noticed that when I pulled the drain plug in the back, it did have a little bit of water in it. And I walked around and I realized that there is a tiny hole right here. It's not horrible. We're going to fill it with epoxy and seal it off. Same with all these little cracks around the edges. Not that it really matters for those. But it's just good to be safe than sorry. But yeah. Other than that, it did really well until that throttle cable broke. Solid little boat. Probably going to do everything from this line down, re-epoxy and paint just to be safe. You know, but for free, it's been a good little boat. Only money I have into it is the motor. And then the trailer, which the trailer I got for $250. I threw brand new rims and tires on it. So that was about $200. Got new bunk board carpet put in. And then a new ton toe strap. So yeah. That, me and my dad are going to take with epoxy and fill that in. My voice is horrible right now. I have flipping expanders in my mouth. And I can barely talk. But please bear with me. So yeah. Other than that, other than the water in the hole, which isn't a horrible thing. Because these boats are, you know, pretty solid. But we're going to get it, well, it's still small. And there are still a few pieces like this. And then there's one up front. And right here that we're going to hit and patch before it's too late, before like a crack occurs. But yeah, it's not too bad. Inside's decent. We're going to remove all that stuff out and stuff. But yeah, it wasn't bad for a first run, honestly. And then I still gotta find this plug new. This is the old original plug, probably. These two are brand new from Walmart. I put them in. I can't find this little one. It's, for some reason, it's smaller than the normal drain plug, like by a lot. And I haven't been able to find one, but I'm gonna go up to the marina, see if they have it. Hopefully they do. Give me a second. But yeah, so test run went good. Inside of it, I have all my life jacket and crap. I'm glad I hit it came with a paddle, because when I got there and that thing broke, if I didn't have a paddle, I would have been stranded. So it's always good to bring a paddle. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and liking. I'll see you in the next video.